नोट कर लिया करो, ठीक है? जितने की ठीक ठाक वीडियो चली जाए उतना ही कर लिया करो, है ना? जस्ट वेट। Good morning, all of you. Hope all well. Today topic very most important for every competitive exams. Maybe IIT, NEET, and board exam. In physics, we study about error. What is error? We know it is the difference between the measured value and observed value. You know very well. Physics is a practical subject. And if we do experiment, then we got many errors. Then uh, practically how you can solve it, how you can show it, and in very most important topic, exam point of view say errors ka propagations, sum of errors, difference of error, product of error, division of error, and in powers. How? We know if we consider a quantity having A and B, and if we do sum, then x is equal to A plus B. And what is del A here? Del A is the absolute error in the measurement of A. Absolute error in the measurement of A. Second, del B is the absolute error in the measurement of B. And del X, same thing, absolute error in the calculation of A and B. Calculation of A and B. Then you can write in error form del X is equal to plus minus del A plus del B. And same thing when we find out difference of error, then same result we obtain del X is equal to plus minus del A plus del B. मे बी सम ऑफ एरर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है या डिफरेंस ऑफ एरर, एरर्स फॉर्मूला रिमेन सेम, ओनली आपकी सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन वैल्यू या डायरेक्ट वैल्यू में डिफरेंस आएगा. हेयर यू कैन राइट x इज इक्वल टू a माइनस b. मैथमेटिकली एरर कैलकुलेट जब हम करेंगे फॉर्मूला रिमेन सेम, del x plus minus del a plus del b, and here plus minus same thing, del x is equal to plus minus del a plus del b. Some numerical based on it. Question: if in an experiment the resistance of the wire is measured R1 20 plus minus 0.2 ohm and R2 is 10 plus minus 0.3 ohms. Find the series combination of the resistance. Find the combination series combination of the resistance. When you solve it, very simple. In a 10th class, you study about a series combination and a parallel combination of resistance. Direct formula we know. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. In case of error, R1 and R2 are given in a question, then you can put its value. Yeah, maybe you can write here R1 is equal to 20 plus minus 0.2 ohm, and R2 here 10 plus minus 0.3 ohm. Rs by putting in equation first, here you can write we know by putting above values in first, Rs is equal to 20 plus minus 0.2 ohms, and here plus में 10 plus minus 0.3 ohms. Easily you can add real value in real and errors in errors. Then here 20 plus 10 and plus minus 0.2 plus 0.3. Then here 30 plus minus 0.5 ohm, it is the RS. So simple. Here main आपको जो attention देना है errors पे, right? You add the errors with errors and real value with real value. Same thing in difference. If initial temperature of a body is measured sixty plus minus 0.4 degree Celsius and 4 degree Celsius, and final temperature is 70 plus minus 0.2 degrees Celsius. Find the rise in temperature. When you solve it, here given T1, you consider initial, maybe you can write Ti. 60 plus minus 0.4 degrees Celsius, and Tf, maybe you can write T2 or Tf. It is 70 plus minus 0.2 degree Celsius. Here we find out rise in temperature. then del T is equal to Tf minus Ti. Then we know according to rule 70 minus 60, but errors always added. Then here 10 plus minus 0.6 degree Celsius. It is the rise in temperature. So simple. Sum of error, yeah, maybe difference of error. Main point is that error is always added. Only your observed real value subtracted here, but error is added. Next question. Same thing in product and division. Product of error and in division of error. X, obviously you consider A and B are your simple observed value and error in it del x by x is equal to plus minus del A by A and plus del B by B in case of product. Same thing in division. X is equal to A by B. You know, del is the absolute error in the measurement of A. Del B is the absolute error in the measurement of B. Here also plus minus del x by x is equal to plus minus del A by A plus del B by B. Same formula like last formula. लास्ट में सम ऑफ एरर और आपका डिफरेंस ऑफ एरर में हमारा एरर सेम ऐड हो रहा था प्लस माइनस डेल एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस डेल ए प्लस डेल बी सेम फॉर्मूला इन केस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एरर मैथमेटिकली इट्स प्रूफ and in a division of error then in both we apply del if we find out error in that case then plus minus del x by x is equal to plus minus del a by a and plus del b by b. Examples. If length of a rectangle is 20 centimeter and its breadth is 10 centimeter, find the area of rectangle. Here also in errors form, values in error form like this 20 plus minus 0.2 centimeter and here also in errors 10 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Find the area of rectangle by using dimensional analysis. Yeah, errors analysis. So simple question here when you solve it here given length 20 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Breadth here 10 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. And we know area is equal to length into breadth. Simply here, your simple observed value 20 into 10. It is the 200 centimeter square. And in case of error, you find out plus minus del formula you know plus minus del A is equal to plus minus del L by L and plus del B by B. Del B by B. Here, by putting all values, plus minus del A by A is equal to plus minus del L here 0.2 by 20 and plus 10 0.1 by 10 like this. Simply you solve it. It is the 2 by 200 and is the 1 by 100. It's also simplify 100. Then you calculate plus minus obviously 1 by 100 and 1 by plus 1 by 100. 2 by 100 here plus minus 2 by 100 and here a plus minus del A and you multiplied with A because we find out here errors in area. Then you can write del A by A. Again simplify it. Plus minus del A equal to 2 by 100 and area here 200. It's a your calculated area 200 centimeter square. Then it 200 to 2 to the 4 plus minus 4. Then net area here A plus minus del A 200 plus minus 4 centimeter square. By using error analysis, you calculated its net. It's so simple. Again, I repeat, length given here, breadth given here. Simple formula we know, area, length into breadth. And we multiply this get. And according to error analysis, if we find out the errors in product, then formula we remember plus minus del according to that. वैसे तो हमने आपकी जब क्वांटिटी ए एंड बी ऑफ कंसिडर की थी तो रिजल्टेंट हमारी एक्स थी देन फॉर्मूला था हमारा प्लस माइनस डेल एक्स देन हेयर इन केस ऑफ गिवन क्वेश्चन प्लस माइनस डेल ए बाय ए plus minus del b del L by L plus del B by B. After putting all values, because here it is the del L and it is the del B. Simple mathematical solution you can solve easily. Next question. If distance measured या कवर्ड वर्ड भी आप यूज कर सकते हो मेजर्ड भी यूज कर सकते हो डिपेंड्स ऑन यू डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय ऑब्जेक्ट या ट्रेवल्ड बाय ऑब्जेक्ट एज यू विश covered by object is 50 plus minus 0.5 meter in time 20 plus minus 0.2 second. Yeah, you can write 2 plus minus 2.5 plus minus 0.2 second. Find the speed by using error analysis. So simple question. When you solve it, what is given here? Here given S 50 plus minus 0.5 meter and time here 2.5 plus minus 0.2 second, and we know V is equal to S by T, and simply 50 by 2.5, 50 by 25 into 10, then 20 meter per second. And by using error analysis, how you apply? Plus minus del V by V is equal to plus minus del S by S plus del T by T. By putting all values here, it is the del S and it is del T, it is S and it is T, plus minus del V by V is equal to 0.5 and 50 here, and plus 0.2 and 2.5 here. Then solve this. 2.5 and 0.2 second. It is the unit, not a 5. Second, S. Okay. Unit of time. Then here 5 by 500. Simply you cut it. And here 2 by 25. Then 1 by 100 plus 2 by 25. LCM here 100. Then it is 1 plus 8. Then it is 9 by 100. It's a plus minus del V by V is equal to 9 by 100. Plus minus here because it's a error. Maybe it's less than it, maybe more than it, maybe in positive or negative. Plus minus del V is equal to 9 by 100 into V. Then our last values of V, 9 by 100 into 20. Then it's okay, sir. Then we solve it. 1.8 plus minus 1.8. Then net V plus minus del V is equal to 20 plus minus 1.8 meter per second. By using error analysis, we measure velocity with errors V plus minus del V. Clear? and both same formula used in product and in division. When we find out the errors, then we apply the formula plus minus del x by x is equal to plus minus del v by v, del a by a and del b by b. Del done. Next question. In case of a power, we know if any quantity having power like this and we find out error in it, plus minus del x by x is equal to m into del a by a plus n into del b by b. It's so simple, like a last derivation, but here आपकी जो पावर्स है वो किस में आ जानी है, मल्टीप्लाई में. बाकी हमारा जो फॉर्मूला है वो सेम रहेगा. इस टाइप के जो क्वेश्चन है वो मैक्सिमम विद परसेंटेज एरर आपके क्वेश्चंस में आते हैं. अब इसी में अगर हमें परसेंटेज एरर फाइंड आउट करनी है, देन हाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. सेम थिंग हियर, del a by a into 100 and plus n into del b by b into 100. क्वेश्चंस में डायरेक्ट परसेंटेज वैल्यू गिवन होगी और हम फॉर्मूलाज में अप्लाई करेंगे तो हम डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज ये लेंगे. इट मींस परसेंटेज एरर इन ए, percentage error in A, and here a percentage error in B. How? Numerical problem based on it. If x is equal to a की 2, b की 3, c की 4, find the percentage error in x if percentage error in A is given, error in A, B, C are three percent, 4% and 5%. So simple question. How you solve it? When you solve it, firstly, here given x is equal to a की 2, b की 3 and c की 4. Firstly, you write in percentage error form del x into 100. Same thing here. Powers in multiply 2 into del a by a into 100 and next plus 3 into del b by b into 100 and plus 4 into del c by c into 100. Directly you apply its value. Percentage error in A here 2 into 3% plus 3 into 4 and plus 4 into 5. 6 plus 12 plus 20. Then here 18 or 20, total 38%. It's the answer. It's so simple. अभी तो जस्ट हमने फॉर्मूले को उसी सेम मेथड से अप्लाई किया है. आपको पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई में लेके आना है और फिर जो भी गिवन क्वांटिटीज है, इधर प्रोडक्ट था तो हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है, प्रोडक्ट. सेम थिंग डिवीजन है तो भी फॉर्मूला रिमेन्स सेम. इट्स क्लियर. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन इट. सॉल्व if x is equal to P3 Q5 and R2 and T4. Same thing, find the percentage error in x. अब डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करेंगे आप, फुल सॉल्व करके नहीं लिखेंगे, डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. परसेंटेज एरर इन एक्स इफ percentage error in errors in P, Q, R and T are given 1%, 2%, 3% and 4%. वेरी वेरी मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल है आईआईटी जेई में, नीट में. मैक्सिमम आप इसमें सेकंडों में इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग योर ट्रिक. 3 into errors in P 1%. Second here 5 into errors in Q 2% plus 2 into errors in R, it's a 3 and plus 4 into 4. So easy. अब हमें ट्रिक रिमेम्बर है तो हम इजिली इसे पुट करेंगे और डायरेक्ट निकाल देंगे. पूरा कंप्लीट सॉल्व करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. इट्स अ 3% प्लस 10% प्लस 6% प्लस 16%. Added 22 and 10, 32 and 3, 35%. It's a your net result, net answer. So done.